Good morning everybody. In this video I am going to tell about you Workmen Compensation Reserve. Sir, what is Workmen Compensation Reserve? The name itself says Workmen Compensation Reserve, that A and B is running a firm, and right now if any mishappening happens with our worker, then who will pay? Sir, A and B have to pay. Sir, what A and B right now doing? They are accumulating their reserve. They are making reserve and depositing the amount in that reserve, so that in future if any mishappening happen with our workers, then we can pay this. Okay sir, so this is also a reserve, but we make a specific reserve. We made it as a specific, that in case of workman problem, in any mishappening of worker, we will pay from here. Okay, this is a specific one. Okay, right now suppose they made a reserve of 50,000. This is a reserve only. This is also a reserve. Right now C is coming, C is admitting in this firm. So what this 50,000 will do? Sir, as usual it's a reserve, so A and B should get this reserve. So what should be the journal entry? What should be the journal entry? Sir, Workmen Compensation Reserve account debit to A to B. Which ratio? Sir, according to profit sharing ratio. Okay, so journal entry is Workmen Compensation account reserve account debit to A to B. Sir, if there is no claim, sir, what do you mean by that? That we have reserve right now. A has come and A is saying, oh, what happened? You want to get admit? Just a minute, let me distribute. Is there any worker? Any problem with you all? No. Okay, we'll distribute. Right now, C came, and right now A and B is saying, worker, do you have any problem? Yes, one worker is there, problem, some mishappening happened with him, so we have to pay him. How much we need to pay? We need to pay 30,000 to him. Okay, we will pay 30,000. Then what rest amount? 20,000. That 20,000 is our profit. That 20,000 is our benefit. We will take only 20,000, and 30,000 we have to pay. This is our liability. So sir, what will be the journal entry in this case? Workmen Compensation Reserve account debit. We have to cancel total 50,000. We have to cancel total 50,000. And again there is a one liability, provision for workmen compensation claim. Workmen claim, provision for workmen compensation claim account. How much? Sorry, 30,000. To A to B. How much? These 20,000 according to profit sharing ratio. Shape what? Equal profit. They are equal sharing, equal profit sharing ratio, 1:1. So this 10,000 and 10,000 this way they will take. Oh, if there will be no claim, then no problem. Whole amount belongs to A and B. If there is claim, then we have to pay the claim, and the remaining amount will be. Sir, what about 50,000? 50,000. No problem. There is a claim, and we will not take any amount because there is a claim of 50,000. So what will be journal entry? Workmen compensation to provision for workmen compensation claim. 50, 50. Answer partner. How partner will take? There is only 50,000 and there is a claim of 50,000. Okay, right now the scenario arises when there will be a claim of 70,000, means they have made a reserve of 50,000, and right now a compensation arises, a claim arises of 70,000. Now sir, now A and B have to pay. Okay sir, what will be the journal entry? What will be the journal entry? Workmen compensation reserve account debit. How much? 50,000. Sir, to provision for workmen compensation reserve, how much? Sir, 20. Provision, how much we have to? How much provision we have to make? Sir, 70,000. Sir, what about 20,000? Sir, loss. We call it revaluation. Sir, why revaluation? See, revaluation, when we use revaluation, means our asset and liability increases or decreases. Right now our liability increase because our previously we made 50,000, and in this case our liability increases or what? No, from this reserve only we are paying. Okay, so from this reserve only we are paying, so our liability doesn't increase or decreases. Liability, nothing happens, nothing happens to my liability. 50,000 I have kept as a reserve, and 30,000 I have paid it. In similar way, revaluation, right now I have to make a revaluation of how much? 20,000. And these revaluation loss will be distributed, will be borne by A and B. So sir, journal entry A, B to revaluation. Sir, which ratio? Sir, how much A will give, how much B will give? 10,000, 10,000, 10k, 10k, and this will be 20k. Okay sir, hope you understood the treatment of workmen compensation claim. In case of no claim, we'll write here only, we'll distribute between the partners. You can post from this journal, no? Journal, you can post from this journal. Okay.